Sure. Here are some healthy and delicious vegan and vegetarian meal ideas for you. Vegan meal ideas. 1. Beefless vegan tacos, made with plant-based protein and packed with veggies. These tacos are both filling and nutritious. 2. Vegan coconut chickpea curry, a creamy and flavorful curry that's quick to make and perfect for a weeknight dinner. 3. Air fryer taquitos with cauliflower and black beans, crispy on the outside and tender on the inside. These taquitos are a great snack or meal. 4. Crispy buffalo cauliflower bites, spicy and crunchy. These bites are a healthier alternative to traditional wings. Vegetarian meal ideas. 1. Vegetarian lasagna, layers of pasta, cheese, and vegetables make this a hearty and satisfying dish. 2. Hearty vegetarian chili packed with beans and vegetables. This chili is perfect for a cozy meal. 3. Protein-packed veggie burgers, made with beans, grains, and veggies. These burgers are both tasty and nutritious. 4. Healthy grain bowls. Combine your favorite grains, vegetables, and a protein source like tofu or tempeh for a balanced meal. Would you like recipes for any of these dishes? Source: Conversation with Copilot, August 27, 2020 for 1:17 Healthy vegan dinners you can make in 20 minutes. Eating well. Eating Welcome Com Gallery 76311085 Healthy vegan dinners 20 minutes to 67 healthy vegan recipes that are totally crave-worthy. Woodforks recipes, vegan menus collections, healthy vegan recipes totally crave-worthy. 350 best vegetarian recipes. Love and lemons. Vegetarian recipes.